Hi ladies and gentlemen, hi job hunters, hi students. Welcome to Trilingual ECDL e-learning with Jofiel. Let's keep it up with the study at home English quiz, 100 questions, basic computer skills with an easy French translation. So today question 21 to 40. Are you ready? All right, let's do it. Question number 21, question numéro 21. A group of 8 bits is called translation. Un groupe de 8 bits s'appelle comment? Answer, I think it's byte. Si tu sais pas ça, t'es cuit. Next. Question number 22, question numéro 22. Windows 8 was released in which year? Traduction. Windows numéro 8 a été lancé en quelle année? I would say 2012. Next. Question number 23, question numéro 23. The uppermost bar showing the name of the application is called. Traduction. La barre d'indication positionnée tout en haut qui montre le nom des applications s'appelle comment? I would say title bar. Question number 24, question numéro 24. In Windows 7, what is the shortcut key for creating a new folder? Traduction. Sur le clavier de Windows 7, quelle est la combinaison raccourcie pour créer un nouveau dossier? I would say, well, not sure right now, but by default, I would say Control N. Next. Question number 25, question numéro 25. Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU, can do. Traduction. Que peut faire le programme Arithmetic Logic Unit, qu'on appelle ALU? Des opérations mathématiques ou des opérations logiques? Moi, je dirais les deux. I would say both of these. Next. Question number 26, question numéro 26. Data is permanently stored in. Traduction. Les données sont enregistrées de façon permanente sur quoi? I would say hard disk. Next. Question number 27, question numéro 27. SQL is a. Traduction. Que veut dire SQL? I would say structured language. Our answer. Next. Question number 28, question numéro 28. A search engine is. Traduction. Qu'est-ce qu'un engin de recherche? Websites that look through databases for matching criteria. Our answer, this one. Next. Question number 29, question numéro 29. The software that are available free of cost are called. Traduction. Comment s'appellent les softwares gratuits? Moi, je dirais free. This one is easy. Freeware. Next. Question number 30, question numéro 30. Which one of these is not an advantage of cloud? Traduction. Parmi les propositions, laquelle n'est pas un avantage de cloud? I can see that there is only one proposition. I think they made a mistake because we only have one choice. So this choice is going to be the answer. Je pense qu'ils ont fait une erreur. Donc, comme il n'y a qu'une proposition, on va choisir celle-ci. Next. Question number 31. Question numéro 31. The shortcut key to delete a file without sending to recycle bin is. Traduction. La combinaison raccourcie pour se débarrasser d'un document sans l'envoyer dans la poubelle. Quelle est-elle? Moi, je dirais, I would say Ctrl-Shift-Delete. Not sure. Well, my guess is this one. Next. Question number 32, question numéro 32. Windows 7 is preceded by which version of the window? Traduction. Quelle version de Windows précède Windows 7? I would say Windows Vista. Je pense que c'est Windows Vista. Next. Question number 33, question numéro 33. The Google I.O. was done in. Traduction. Google IPO a été lancé en quelle année? I would say 2003. My guess. Next. Question number 34. Question numéro 34. A fiber optic cable consists of tubes of what? Traduction. Un câble fibre optique est composé de quel genre de tube? I would say glass. Verre. Tube de verre. Genre verre à boire. Next. Question number 35. Question numéro 35. SOAP. SOAP stands for. Traduction. Que veut dire SOAP? I would say Simple Object Access Protocol. Our answer. Voilà ma réponse. Voilà notre réponse. Next. Question number 36. Question numéro 36. What is the full form of www? Traduction. Que veut dire l'abréviation www? Ça, c'est facile. Si tu sais pas ça, t'es cuit. I would say if you don't know that, you're definitely on the grill. The World Wide Web. Pour les nuls. Question number 37. Question numéro 37. Windows 10 was launched in which year? Traduction. Windows 10 a été lancé en quelle année? I would say 2015. Our answer. Next. Almost done. Question number 38. Question numéro 38. Which is a program language among these? Traduction. Parmi ces propositions, quel est le programme langage? Ça, c'est facile aussi. C'est HTML. Ça, je le sais. We know that one. Next. Question number 39. How many versions of Windows 8 for PC have been released? Traduction. Combien de versions de Windows 8 ont été lancées pour les ordinateurs? I think it's 3. Next. Question number 40. Question numéro 40. What is the full form of TCP? Traduction. Quelle est la signification de l'abréviation TCP? I would say Transfer Control Protocol. Voilà notre réponse. It's enough for today. If God's willing, the rest is coming next with question 41 to 60. God bless you. Bye bye. Moi, je suis fière.